Hello and welcome to my channel. So I have this question from mappings and functions under further math subject, and it's a WAEC question, West African Examination Council question. The question says two functions of f and g are defined on the set R of real numbers by function f has x tends to x squared minus 2x minus 1, while g has x tends to x minus 1. They say we should find the value of x for which f of x is equal to g of x minus 2. All right, to start this, let's take our g of x. Our g of x, which is equal to x minus 1. And then we know that we can also find this value here. G of x minus 2 will now become x minus 1, which is g of x. Then we add the minus 2 to it. And this value becomes x minus 3, because minus 1 minus 2 will give us minus 3. Now, if our f of x is equals to g of x minus 2 as it is given here, then it means that f of x, which is given in the original question as x squared minus 2x minus 1, x squared minus 2x minus 1 will be equals to g of x minus 2, which gives us this value x minus 3. So let's rearrange these values, like collect like terms and see. So we're going to be having x squared minus 2x minus x minus 1 plus 3, and it's equals to what? 0. Now, here we can have x squared minus 3x. Then here we have plus 2, and it's equals to what? 0. Now, if we are solving this kind of mass, we'll be having it to be a quadratic equation, and solving a quadratic equation that we have the constant to be 2 and we don't have any coefficient of x squared, then we can break it this way. X squared, what are the two factors of 2 that when we add them or subtract them, they are going to give us minus 3x? The two factors are 1 and 2. So if we take it, since 1 and 2 sum up to give us 3, we can now take minus x minus 2x then plus 2, and it's equals to 0. So let's separate this equation into two. So we have x squared minus x as one aspect, then plus the other aspect minus 2x plus 2 as the other aspect is equals to 0. So this one now, let's solve this aspect here. What is common here? We have x is common, x minus 1. Then what is common in this aspect? We have minus 2 to be common. So if you divide this, you're still going to be having this x minus 1. So let's rearrange. We have this, and then we have x minus 1, and it's equals to what? 0. Now, in quadratic equation, this aspect is also equals to 0 as this is equals to 0. So x minus 2 is equals to 0, or x minus 1 is equals to what? 0. So first, if we are solving this aspect, s is equals to 2, or this aspect, s is equals to 1. So that's the end of our solution. We have found the value of x for which f of x is equals to g of x minus 2 is given.